Can batt insulation be eliminated with an armor wall assembly?
Oh, yeah, great question. So I guess I did touch on that a little bit, but yes. The short answer is yes, you can remove cavity insulation when you put enough exterior insulation, right? So if you think back to that code cycle I showed you with the 2024 IECC, there's an option prescriptively, meaning you follow these guidelines without taking a performance path or doing energy modeling or trying to do the performance path for U value. That's the easy way, but you can do it now too, right? We do it all the time. I do steel stud calculations all the time with different types of claddings and climate zones and building code cycles to tell you when and where you can, and mostly how much continuous insulation you have to put on so that you can remove cavity insulation. Right? Why would you want to do it? Well, you're removing we talked about removing different components from the wall, right? This is about speed and doing it faster, 6 or 8 versus 1 or 2. Well, now think about removing components from the interior as well, right? So as soon as you build better, more efficient using building science, it makes a lot of sense thermally, it makes a lot of sense from building science standpoint for DuPont, but it also, it takes things out of the building that you may not need. So that was a long-winded version of saying yes, you can, as long as you use enough continuous insulation on the outside.